kids! It's Teacher Queenie Cantor, your science teacher.
So, hi kids! Welcome again to another video or discussion in Science 2. And we are now on the lesson 3 with the title Comparing Solid, Liquid, and Gas. So, are you ready to learn about the differences and similarities among solid, liquid, and gas? Alright, so without further ado, let's go to our class. So we have here, children, page 27 until 31. So please get your science book and open it on page 27 until 31. And you can see it there. We have the lesson 3 comparing solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so let's proceed. So here we have comparing solid, liquid, and gas. So these three states of matter, my dear children, are similar in some ways. So as you can see it there on our picture, you have there the rock, the alcohol, and the balloon. So you have there the representation of the solid, liquid, and gas. Again, this is your solid, the rock, your alcohol, inside it represents the liquid, and your balloon, the air inside your balloon is gas. So all of these children have shape. So solids have definite shape, or it has its own shape, while the liquid takes up the shape of the container. Okay, so while the gas fills up the space in its container. So it has no fixed shape. Okay, so the gas has no shape on its own, but it only takes the shape of its containers. So remember, children, solids have shape. Alright. Next here, children, is that solids, liquids, and gases occupy space. Alright, so for solid, you have here the book. So the solid book occupies the space on the top of the table, while the liquid, the water, has a space in the glass, while the air inside the balloon has also a space inside the balloon. Therefore, the solid, liquid, and gas occupy space. Alright, so let's see what's the next presentation you have there. Solid, liquid, and gas have weight. As you can see here, you have in the first picture the small stone, and the other one has a big stone. So which object do you think weighs more? Is it the small stone, or is it the bigger stone? So you are correct. It is the bigger stone. It has more weight compared to the small stone since it is the bigger one.
So kids, since you already know what are the different similarities of solid, liquid, and gas, let's proceed to the difference among solids, liquids, and gases. So that is page 29 of your book. Again, page 29. So as you can see there, number 1, solids, liquids, and gases differ in shapes. So they have different shapes, especially when we talk about the solid. So you have there the ball. The shape of the ball is, of course, it's circle. This one is the cone. You also have there your picture frame, which has the shape of the square, and the wood here has the shape of rectangle. So all of these children are solids. Now let's proceed to the next one. So you have there solid, liquid, and gas differ in weight. So as you can see there, once again, solid, liquid, and gas has different weight from one another. So since solid children differ in shapes, it also applies with liquid and gas. So liquids also, children, differ from its shape when it is on different containers. So they take up the space or shape of their container. Since you already know, children, that solids differ in weight, same is true with the liquid and gas. So they also differ in weight. So the bigger the container which has water, the bigger or greater its mass. It is a small container of water, meaning children that it also has smaller mass. Or it is lighter compared to water inside the big container. We have here another example, children, with gas. So we have here an inflated balloon and the deflated balloon. So when we talk about inflated balloon, meaning it has air inside it. But the deflated balloon has no air inside it. So in the deflated balloon, children, it weighs less than the inflated balloon. Meaning, mas magaan ang wala sang air nga balloon compared to the inflated one. So the air inside the balloon makes the inflated balloon heavier. So this one, the inflated balloon, is heavier compared to the deflated balloon which has no air inside it. So that is how solid, liquid, and gas differ in weight. So that ends our lesson today, children. Thank you so much for listening. God bless and keep safe always.